Alright, kiddos. Well, our shape for today is going to be the triangular prism. We've used this with volume, and today it's going to be surface area. So remember, the surface area is measuring basically the area of each of the outside sides, which means in this case that you have two triangles, because they're your bases, one on each side. And you have three rectangles in this case. And yes, you could do the area of the two triangles and then the area of each of the rectangles and get your surface area. But I want you to use the formula because part of this section and whole thing is just learning to use formulas and being able to understand what they mean to do. So that's an important part of algebra. This is the formula that I want you to use and write in your notes for the triangular prism. And if you know what the big V means and you know what the big P means, then pretty much all you got to do is find the numbers to go in and you're good to go. So, remember from yesterday that the big B means the area of the base. And that now, for today, what do you think the P might mean? Well, it means the perimeter of the base. Remember, perimeter is where you add the outside edges. Perimeter of the base. Big B is area of the base. Big P is perimeter of the base. Alright, well, what's the base in this shape? Remember, it's the one you have two of, so it is the triangle. So let's fill in. Hope I don't run out of room. Alright, we have 2 times the area of the base because we have 2 triangles in this. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2. The base of the triangle is 8. The height of the triangle is 6. Just the triangle, remember? Now, what would the perimeter... I'm going to run out of room. The perimeter of the triangle would be adding the outside edges, so that means you're looking at this 6, this 8, and what is the slanted part here? Well, look across and you see it is 10. So we have 6 plus 8 plus 10, and then the H, of course, is not standing here for the height of the triangle, but for the height of the prism, which, of course, would be the line between the two bases, so it would be the 18. Make sure that you know that this is of the prism. And I got to squeeze in a times of 18 here, guys. Sorry. That says 6 plus 8 plus 10 times 18. Okay, I'm not going to do all of this for you, but if you did all your multiplication and then added these two together, you should get 480. You would just need to do them separate. Figure out what this is, figure out what this is, and then add them together. Now, surface area, so centimeters squared. That's basically it. 2 times the area of the base, which in this case is the area of the triangle. Then the perimeter of the triangle, which is the outside edges of the triangle, times the height of the prism. Let me know if you need me to post another example or something later on. But that's basically it. So I'm just going to give you a couple of these to try. Don't forget the rectangular prism with surface area yesterday. And you will also have more in your assignment today. Okay? Talk to you later.